After the physics test, have you ever have a thought to go to the carnival? In carnival, there are lots of games like ball throwing and air slide. But, do you know, physics is everywhere in the carnival? Let's discover it together. The ladder climb. No games is better example than the ladder climb. The ladder converges to be supported on the wall in 1 point instead of 2. If it was attached at 2 points, it is pretty easy. This is a little setup that the ladder is attached at 2 points. Let's pretend this is you. The point in a body or system of bodies at which the whole mass may be considered as concentrated is called the center of mass. And we can double check it is the right spot since it balances perfectly on one finger. If you draw an area connecting the different supporting points, this is a safe area. Where as long as your center of mass is within that area, it is impossible to fall off. However, when your center of mass is little outside the safe area, you will start to rotate and fall off. It is the same thing when you reach over, you will naturally keep your center of mass between the safe area. On the other hand, you will fall off if you are standing behind a wall when the center of mass was outside the safe area. For the real game, the ladder is connected in 1 point. This reduced the safe area to one single line. So if your center of mass is outside the line, you will fall off. The basketball game. Did you ever wonder why the basketball game is difficult to win even you are a skilled basketball player? Firstly, since most carnival basketball hoops only have an oval shape, which the only way to win is to gauge the distance and aim with perfect accuracy. Secondly, the position is higher than regulation. Carnivals also use sloped tarps and block off the base of the hoop so no one can stand directly under it and make the height difference obvious. Most importantly, the ball you are throwing is overinflated. Many carnivals overinflate the basketballs to make them bouncier. Here you can see 2 balls. One is bouncier, and the other one is not. In general, when a ball drops from a high place, its potential energy will turn to kinetic energy and force against air resistance. A basketball with higher air pressure will bounce higher because the air inside the ball is more compressed and therefore more dense. This increased density means that the ball can store more energy, which is released when the ball hits the ground and bounces back up. Additionally, a basketball with higher air pressure will also be more firm and less likely to deform upon impact, which can also contribute to a higher bounce. So in order to beat the basketball game, you should throw the ball farther and higher. Times go swiftly. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.